Mastering quality team building. Our quality team's KPIs are nowhere to be found, and their objectives are likely at odds with the organization's goals. Where are the key performance indicators, KPIs, for our quality team documented, and how do they align with the overall organizational goals that our team is committed to achieving, ensuring that its objectives are closely tied to theirs? The pursuit of operational excellence in quality team building is a journey, not a destination. As I've had the privilege of guiding numerous organizations on this path, I'd like to share a case study that illustrates the power of aligning quality team objectives with overall organizational goals. It was a brisk winter morning when I first met the quality team at XYZ Manufacturing, a mid-sized company specializing in precision components. They were struggling to define their role in the organization and felt disconnected from the company's overall mission. As we sat around the table, I sensed a palpable sense of frustration and disheartenment. "What do you think is the primary purpose of your quality team?" I asked, looking around the room. "Oh, ensure our products meet customer specifications," someone replied. "Is that all?" I probed. After a brief silence, another team member spoke up. "We're also responsible for identifying areas for improvement and implementing corrective actions." I nodded, taking note of their responses. "That's a great start. But tell me, how do you think your role contributes to the company's overall success?" A long pause followed, punctuated by nervous glances. It was clear they didn't see the connection. I decided to take a different approach. "Let's start with the company's mission statement. Can anyone recite it for me?" Again, an uncomfortable silence. I pulled out a copy of the company's annual report and read aloud, "To be the industry leader in delivering high-quality precision components that exceed customer expectations." "Aha!" I exclaimed. "Ow, how can your quality team's objectives support and align with this mission?" The room began to buzz with ideas. We started brainstorming, connecting the dots between their daily tasks and the company's overarching goals. I encouraged them to think about how their work could directly impact customer satisfaction, product reliability, and ultimately, the organization's reputation. As the discussion unfolded, I sensed a shift in the team's demeanor. They began to see themselves as integral to the company's success, rather than just a support function. The next step was to translate these ideas into tangible objectives. Together, we crafted a set of key performance indicators, KPIs, that would measure their progress toward the company's mission. These KPIs included customer satisfaction ratings for product quality, reduction in defect rates, implementation of corrective actions and preventive measures, productivity improvements through process optimization, employee training and development initiatives. These KPIs became the quality team's North Star, guiding their daily decisions and prioritizing their efforts. I stress the importance of regularly reviewing and refining these objectives to ensure they remained aligned with the organization's evolving goals. Over the next several months, I witnessed a remarkable transformation within the quality team. They became more confident, proactive, and solutions-focused. They began to see themselves as ambassadors of quality, taking ownership of their work and its impact on the company's success. One team member, Everly, exemplified this shift. She began to lead a cross-functional team to analyze and address a persistent defect issue. Through her efforts, they implemented a corrective action that not only improved product quality, but also reduced waste and increased production efficiency. As we reviewed their progress, I asked Everly how she felt about her role in the organization. Her eyes sparkled as she replied, "I finally see how my work makes a difference. I'm proud to be part of this team." In that moment, I knew we had succeeded in building a quality team that embodied operational excellence. They had become an integral part of the organization, driving continuous improvement and propelling the company toward its mission. As I packed up my notes and prepared to leave, I couldn't help but feel a sense of satisfaction. I had helped this team discover their purpose and align their objectives with the organization's goals. They were now empowered to drive quality and excellence, and I was confident they would continue to thrive. In the words of my friend and mentor, Walter Schuhart, quality is a degree of excellence. The quality team at XYZ Manufacturing had indeed achieved a higher degree of excellence, and I was honored to have played a part in their journey. The quality team's key performance indicators, KPIs, are documented in the Quality Team Charter, which is a comprehensive document that outlines the team's purpose, roles and responsibilities, and key objectives. The charter is reviewed and updated annually by the quality team lead in collaboration with the organizational leadership team. The quality team charter aligns with the overall organizational goals by cascading down from the organization's strategic objectives. The organizational goals are set by the executive leadership team and are communicated to all employees through various channels, including company-wide town hall meetings, departmental meetings, and individual performance goals. The quality team's objectives are closely tied to the organizational goals through a process called goal alignment. This process involves reviewing the organizational goals and identifying how the quality team can contribute to achieving those goals. The quality team's objectives are then set to ensure that they are measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART. For example, if the organizational goal is to improve customer satisfaction by 15%, the quality team's objective might be to reduce defect rate by 20% through implementing a robust quality control process. This objective is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, and it directly aligns with the organizational goal of improving customer satisfaction. In addition to the quality team charter, the quality team's KPIs are also documented in the Balanced Scorecard, BSC, which is a performance management tool used to monitor and track progress towards achieving the organizational goals. The BSC includes 4 perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. The quality team's KPIs are primarily focused on the internal processes and learning and growth perspectives, as these areas have the most direct impact on the quality of products and services delivered to customers. Examples of KPIs included in the BSC include defect rate, %, first-time quality, FTQ, rate, %, customer complaint rate, %, employee training and development hours, continuous improvement initiative, ROI, %. These KPIs are reviewed and updated regularly by the quality team and are used to track progress towards achieving the organizational goals. The quality team's KPIs are also used to identify areas for improvement and to prioritize initiatives that will have the greatest impact on achieving the organizational goals. To ensure that the quality team's objectives remain aligned with the organizational goals, regular review and feedback sessions are held with the organizational leadership team. During these sessions, the quality team provides updates on its progress towards achieving its objectives, and the leadership team provides feedback and guidance on how the quality team can better support the organizational goals. In summary, the quality team's KPIs are documented in the Quality Team Charter and the Balanced Scorecard, and they are closely aligned with the overall organizational goals. The quality team's objectives are set to ensure that they are measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, and they are regularly reviewed and updated to ensure that they remain aligned with the organizational goals.